Hi traders, you are welcome to my video on how to set up alerts in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Now, alerts are one of the most useful features on these platforms because they notify you when price reaches your chosen level, meaning you can focus on your trading plan without constantly watching the charts. Okay. Now, in fast moving markets, price can hit your key levels in seconds, right? And without alerts, you either have to sit and watch every tick or risk missing the move entirely. Alerts solve this problem by giving you instant notifications so you can take action when it matters most. Okay? Okay, now MetaTrader's alert system works for any instrument, whether it's Forex pairs or commodities or indices or even cryptocurrencies, depending on your broker's offering, right? Now, in MetaTrader 4, there are two main ways to create an alert, all right? The first method is directly from the terminal window. So let's just view the terminal directly from the terminal window. You can actually open the terminal by going to view and click on terminal, or if you want a faster method, you can just press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Okay, and then you go to alerts, then you right click and choose on create. So you're going to see an alert settings window where you can select, the symbol, which is the instrument for your alert. You're going to see the condition, for example, whether bid price is greater than or less than a specific value, which is the value here. All right. And then, of course, the value is the exact price you want to trigger the alert. Then you're going to see the source, all right, which is the sound, file, or notification type. Of course, action here, you see what that sound, file, mail, notification. Okay, then the expiration, all right, whether you want the alert to expire maybe at a particular date. The second method is from the chart itself. You just right click on a price level. When you right click on a price level, around the price level, you go to trading and then you click on alert. All right, so you can see that that particular price level alert has set at that particular level. The alert will appear in your terminal also and can be edited anytime. You can see it also appeared in the terminal and you can edit it. You can also edit it if you just if you double click on it, this dialog box is going to pop up, so you can edit it from here. All right, now in MetaTrader 5, the process is very similar. You can open the toolbox with Ctrl T. All right, you go to the alert tab and you right click to create a new alert. Okay, the options are slightly more advanced in MT5. You can set alerts not just for price, but also for specific time conditions. All right, so for example, you could set an alert. Okay, I just had to go and check here again, and I think I was mistaken. Seems like the alerts are actually identical. Okay, yeah, because as we can see, the MT5 actually offers the same features here based on this dialog box that we can see on the MT4. Okay, so sorry if I might have said something out of place, right? So basically, if you are using MT4 or if you're using MT5, the process is the same, as you can see right here. I had to open, go back to go and check the MT4 again, right? So whether you want to set an alert right from this alert box, whether you want to set it right from your toolbox here, Then you just go to the particular currency pair that you want to set the alert on, and you just select it. Okay, and then you set the conditions, whether you want when the bid price is lower than a particular value, or when the ask price is higher than a particular value, or whatever, the volume or the time or whatnot. So once you have done that, once you have done that, okay, so I think the little difference that we have here, we have bid greater than, bid less than, bid greater than, ask less than, ask greater than, and time equal to. But here we have last less than, last greater than, we have volume less than, volume greater than. So far, this is one of the key differences that I have seen so far, right? So on MT5, you can actually set alerts for when volume, maybe if you are a volume trader, you can set when volume is less than a particular value or higher than a particular value, perhaps when the last price is less than a particular value or higher than a particular value. So this is one of the notable differences that we can see right now. But apart from that, we can see that some other things are quite similar. Okay, to edit an alert, on MT4 or MT5, just simply double click on it in the alert tab, and you can change the settings. If you no longer need it, you can just right click on it, and well, you can disable the alert, or you can just delete the alert completely. Okay, so it's a good habit to clean up unused alerts so that your terminal or toolbox stays organized. Too many active alerts can be distracting, and you only want the ones that truly matter for your trading plan. Okay, now when setting alerts, always make sure that your price levels are accurate and based on your analysis. Don't just set alerts randomly. Remember, alerts are a tool for awareness, not a trading signal on their own. Okay, so depending on your strategy, your strategy is what will determine whether you are even going to need an alert or not, right? So maybe you are expecting price to get to a particular level. Maybe you are using the smart money concept strategy. Maybe you are expecting price to get to a particular order block zone or whatever, and just set an alert in case of if price gets there while you are not on your chart. So depending on your trading strategy, it's going to determine whether you're going to need an alert, and probably how you are going to use the alert as well. Okay, so that is the full guide on how to set up alerts in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Use them wisely, and you will save time, reduce stress, and never miss key market moves again. If you found this helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more trading platform tutorials. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.